In this video, I'll show you how to trade in quick mode on Ehamarkets step by step. This mode is designed for fast trades, so everything happens quickly. If you're a beginner, follow carefully and avoid rushing your decisions. First, open the Ehamarkets app or visit the official website using your mobile browser. Log in with your account details. After logging in, you'll be on the main dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the trading section. Here you may see different modes such as Standard Mode and Quick Mode. Tap on Quick Mode to open the fast trading interface. Once Quick Mode loads, you'll see a live price chart in the center. At the top, you can select the trading asset. Tap the asset name and choose the pair you want to trade, such as a crypto pair or another available market. Now look at the chart movement. Quick Mode usually focuses on very short-term price changes. You're predicting whether the price will go up or down in a short period. Next, set your trade amount. You'll see an input box where you enter how much money you want to use. Because Quick Mode is fast and risky, it's safer to start with a small amount. After setting the amount, choose the trade time. Quick Mode often offers short durations like 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 1 minute. Select how long you want the trade to run. Now comes the decision part. You will see two main buttons, up or buy. Choose this if you think the price will increase before the timer ends. Down or sell. Choose this if you think the price will decrease. Once you tap one of these buttons, your trade starts immediately. The countdown timer will begin, and you can watch the price move in real time. When the timer ends, the trade closes automatically. If your prediction is correct, the platform adds profit to your balance. If your prediction is wrong, the trade amount may be lost based on platform rules. You can review all your completed trades in the trade history or orders section. This helps you track performance and learn from your trades. Quick Mode is very fast and carries higher risk, so avoid emotional trading and don't trade money you can't afford to lose. That's how you trade in Quick Mode on Ehamarkets. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more beginner trading guides. Thanks for watching.